So moving on, let's do a couple of these YouTube ones. I found, so Airguardian, where are you? I posted, I was waiting for this. Unbelievable, guys.
Bravo.
Follow Tucky100. This dropped Saturday morning. I shared it with Alex. I'm like, dude, unbelievable.
I already saw it before you
yeah, you saw it.
I was like the first like on it. I was like, yes.
This is just a compilation. So Tucky100 is the guy who in the chase cam, and he did the edit. And these are all Airguardian's jets. Airguardian's the pilot. Unbelievable. I'm not going to show the whole thing, even though I had to take the music off. We could, but you got to go to Tucky100's channel. I posted the link earlier in this chat. I might still have it saved. Let me see. Paste. I believe that's it. So I just shared the link with you guys off my phone. That might be the video of the year. And the year just started. It's an unbelievable chase compilation. And obviously just an exceptional... I mean, I do this with Alex, and, you know, I'm not the pilot. Airguardian is, and... You know, I would love to be able to do this, but just the talking that you have to have back and forth is unreal. So, you know, hats off. It's absolutely gorgeous. And even the ground shots to show the drone, too, going through. But unbelievable. So, great stuff. Tell Tucky that he's awesome. And, you know, more stuff like that is always... I'm always going to watch that. So... Yeah, man, the conversations and the practice, I remember you posting, talking to people. Yeah, splash that like button, drop bombs. It looks absolutely awesome. So great on you guys, and that I think is going to be entered probably into the year-end show, I'm sure. That's going to pop up again, but unbelievable. So then we're moving on. You guys know Chris Wolf and the RC Geek.